Hello, beautiful people. Good evening. And dito tayo ngayon sa airport sa Jeddah, going back to Riyadh. So, mag-check-in lang ako and I'll update you guys later. So guys, kalas, nag-check-in na. Actually, nag-check-in ako online. Pero may luggage kasi ako. So, I have to give it to them. So now, punta na ako dun sa loob. Papasok na tayo and magkakape. Of course, magkakape and magdi-dinner. You know. So, ang flight ko is actually 11 in the evening. And darating ako sa Riyadh ng like 1 a.m. Okay, so just like 1 hours and 50 minutes, almost 2 hours, let's say. So guys, beautiful airport here in Jeddah. So I'll see you guys later. So yeah guys, there are very nice people here in Saudi as always. And si Nawaf is, I think, immigration officer, I believe. And he asked me kung galing ako ng stadium for the match. I told him no. So yeah, let's go to... So guys, let's look for a pharmacy. Kasi bibili ako ng deodorant. I felt really fucking uncomfortable. Maybe because of the smell I got. I don't know what is this shitty smell. So where is the pharmacy? This is a pharmacy, I believe. Let's see. Let's go for a pharmacy. I need a deodorant because I felt so fucking... Aywa. It's here, but I think it's expensive. Let's see. I don't feel comfortable, by the way. This is 22 reals, right? Yeah, 22. Sa?
لا
ها
49
والله وين هذا 22
اوكي خلاص هو
والله. A minute. Where is the 49 Nivea? Aha. Nothing. What is this? Is this good? هذا كم؟ So I had to go to toilet because I don't feel comfortable, you know. So وين هذا هنا؟
بعد مطعم
والله قريب ولا بعيد؟
لا فود يمين
والله اوكي. في فاتورة ممكن شرطة شيلها أنا. ممكن كلمها لي بابا أنت. So guys, I have to go to toilet because as I mentioned, I don't feel comfortable. Super disgusting. The smell is like a shitty smell, you know what I mean? So deodorant is very expensive. Aywa, I found it. Perfection. So magka-toilet muna tayo and then ibabalik tayo mamaya doon sa ating friendship. I saw my friend over there. Let's go to toilet first. Where's the toilet? Here. Yun guys, tapos na ako maglinis ng aking underarm. hindi ako naging comfortable dahil dito siguro sa suot kong jersey ng Al Hilal. So medyo nag-sweat ako today and I don't like it. So let's see kung anong pwedeng magawa natin while I'm waiting for my flight, right? So let's meet our good friend from Starbucks and let's say hi to him. Ordered pistachio latte from Starbucks. Ano ate? Normal milk ate. Teka, bakit normal? Bakit ka na-scam na naman? Ano ba yan? And Philippine peso? Nasa 8,000 reals. Yun nga. This is pistachio latte from Starbucks. Made by my ate. Ate, watch my video ate Later I will upload it later. Guys, try nyo yung ice Spanish. What is this? Ice pistachio latte. Sa Starbucks, the best. For sure. I love the Starbucks pistachio latte. It's super nice though. So let's see kung ano yung number ng ating gate. Jeddah airport is really beautiful and super organized, you know. So let's check. XY50, which is gate. Where is it? Gate info at 20. Okay, still. Hello. Hi. Excuse me. This one now. So yeah. Yung gate nila, yung gate ko is mamaya pa after. So ikot-ikot muna tayo mga beshi. The war mga besh. Let's see kung ano yung pwede nating mabili. Halal number 1. I was so hungry, pero nung nakita ko si ate, so bumili ako ng iced pistachio latte, and then yun na, hindi na ako nakakain. Nagbusog na ako sa kwentuhan. Ganun. So ito yung, this is 365 for Etihad t-shirt for this. Oh really? Oh my god, it's 200 only. Amazing. Oh my god, it's amazing. This, oh shit, let me see. This is halal. How much is it? Halal t-shirt. Very nice. Let's see how much is it. Also 200. Wow. Amazing. Super nice. I like it. Hello. My friend.
Hello.
هذا جديد هلال ولا قديم؟ القديم ولا الجديد؟
هذا نيو هذا
والله
جديد.
سمسم هذا ابيض.
إيه هذا ذا سيزون.
السيسون هذا.
إيه because this last
انا
season
هذا
red.
قديم.
Yes red.
اوكي.
New season no red.
والله.
Like this yes.
اوكي.
This last season.
والله من كويس هذا لهذا.
What do you like? Water or
وين
white
كويس؟
or-
I like
This is good.
والله.
Different.
What's your name?
My name is Saud.
ولا ما في مشكلة بلاك.
No problem.
Saud, how are you?
I am fine.
You like Hilal, huh?
Yes, of course.
What's the score today?
The score today with Korea. 7-0.
والله Hilal 7.
Yes, 7.
0 Korea. MashaAllah. Congratulations Hilal. Now I will buy t-shirt because you won.
شكرا.
Thank you Saud. This كويس ها?
Number 1.
والله thank you
This is
Saud.
YouTube or
YouTube. I have Instagram. You have Instagram?
give me this blog.
Yeah.
Give me your
YouTube ما في زيادة بس
no problem, no problem. So we subscribe.
جديد يوسف. You go رياض ولا هنا جدة؟
دمام.
والله. في انستغرام.
ما في مشكلة.
لا سبسكرايب ما يجي. سوي كذا يوتيوب شيل. لازم واتش 1 minute.
ما في مشكلة أسوي كابتشر.
اوكي. بعدين انستغرام. You're from دمام ما في الرياض.
لا ما في الرياض.
ليه؟ شغل وين؟
شغل دمام بنك SNB.
والله. انا شركة كريدت.
أنت شفت وين كانتري؟
فلبين.
ما شاء الله. وفانز الهلال.
ايوه بس لا كله.
ها؟
انا هلال. انا هم مرة.
إيه.
بس انا في كله شوف. انا في ناصر. لا لا
أيد.
لا I like Hilal but only
Because كريستيانو صح؟
yeah I have also Miami I have
Because Messi.
Arsenal and I have Hilal.
والله.
لا انا شيل هذا الحين
نمبر 1
والله انا شيل هذا والله جديد. ثانك يو سعود. وين حق الشيل؟ ايوه هذا نيو كولكشن صح؟ ما شاء الله شكرا. بس سعود كويس هذا ولا ابيض؟ Where's which one؟
هذا جديد.
والله
هذا جديد. هذا نيو سيزون.
والله
الابيض اخر واحد نزل.
ايوه
بس
معلوم.
هذا ديفرنت. هذا
ايوه هذا شوف هنا ما بس كده.
هذا حق المشجعين واللي معاك حق اللاعبين.
بس ممكن ابيض كويس.
ابيض والله كويس بعد. ابيض.
والله
يقول حق المشجعين.
نفس هذا المشجعين.
بس هذا غالي مرة.
ايه
والله.
هذا حق فانز.
بس ممكن هذا سعود هذا نيو كولكشن ها؟ هذا جديد ها؟ Guys, this is a new collection for what do you call this? Hilal. Let's see what they are actually checking. سعود ايش اللي انت ابيض ولا؟
انا يبغى ازرق بس ازرق هذا فلوس واجد. هذا
والله.
حق بلاير. انا ما في بلاير انا فانز.
ايوه بس انا فانز اولسو.
فانز مستودع ما في مال مستودع انجليزي. انا ولا هو؟
I'll buy it guys this white Hilal. Lobat na yung phone, yung aking camera. So, baka hindi na tayo makapag-vlog later. Mag-charge muna ako mga beshi. Okay? Coffee Americano.
Yes, semuanya. Enam.
3 riyal. 3 riyal.
No place to sit, guys. No place to sit. Guys, eto na. Ilang minuto na lang gagora na ang lolo mo. So from this gate, XY0054, okay, from Jeddah to Riyadh. So ang flight ko is 11:55 and darating ako doon ng 1 in the morning. So 1 hour and 50 minutes flight. Guys, dito sa Jeddah Airport, super organized, super clean, and lahat available from coffee shop, restaurant. So you will not worry for anything. Kapag nagugutom ka, lakad-lakad ka lang and you will find whatever you want. So I believe based sa pagta-travel ko around GCC, Jeddah Airport is the best for me. That's my opinion. Hello, Hanif. How are you, Hanif?
A long time I
Mashallah, long time no see, huh?
Yeah, Jimbo, miss you everyone. Your team, all your team.
Yeah, exactly.
Everyone was.
Mashallah, you're all still in Starbucks. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, they're still in Starbucks until now. Oh, the hell.
Ini YouTuber?
Huh?
YouTuber?
Yeah, why?
YouTuber lah vlogger bas.
All, everything. I'm very happy. She is.
Oh, you like Alal?
Of course, Hilal number 1.
Why not talk me? I have my friend, the coordinator.
Really? I love it.
Any T-shirt? More?
Give me. Hilal, you have?
Send them to you number. Take my number.
Take. Yalla.
I
Okay.
have mobile inside.
Okay. This is fucker. I don't know why he's still in Starbucks. There is Sami. Oh my god. A long time. So this is the Jeddah Airport and we're about to leave in a few minutes. Might 15 to 20 minutes alis na yung plane namin. So ang airlines ko is flying us. So guys, ito na tayo. Sasakay na tayo ng airplane. So I'm so excited to see Riyadh. And yep. Welcome back to me. Welcome back to me. Diba? One tanga lang. Welcome back to me. I'm really happy because nakabili ako ng Al Hilal t-shirt, which is super nice. Again, ang biyahe natin is 1 hour and 50 minutes from Jeddah to Riyadh. You know, so prepare the boarding pass. Prepare the boarding pass. C.
Thank you. Yes.
Thank you.
صلاح على اليسار.
Yung seat number natin is 27C.
اللي بنروح القاهره بعد بقى داخل على الاتوبيس زي العكس بصراحه. انا طول عمري باجي من جده وبروح من جده لجده كل معايا زمزم كل مره. والله باخدها يا ابني ما تحلفش. الراجل بتطلع وبراك كبير ما تحلفش. انا بقى 4 سنين ممنوع. يا ابني انا كل شهر بروح. 4 سنين منها الكلمه.
Second. Sorry, thank you. 27C. It's here or here? Okay.